Under the sponsorship of Information and Cultural Affairs Development Government of Manipur, Puthiba Lai Harauba Committee along with Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society has organized Puthiba Lai Harauba Utsav, a traditional rituals of Manipur at Abhoynagar Puthiba Mandir of Agartala, Tripura beginning from January 2nd till 6th. Troops of Indian Army of Chirang along with Assam Police launched a joint operation in Chirang district, Assam yesterday and apprehended a cadre of NDFBS. As per media reports, the arrested person was allegedly involved in extortion activities and he was nabbed on the spot while indulging in extortion activities. The Northeast Frontier Railway has incurred a loss of over Rs 100 crores due to the violent agitation against the Citizenship Amendment Act in various areas within its jurisdiction till December 30, 2019. As per media reports, NFR stated that it not only incurred losses due to damages caused to railway properties but also due to cancellations of passenger trains as well as goods carrying trains to and from the Northeast Zone to other zones. Thousands of BJP activists, mostly women, took to the streets in Agartala the previous day in protest against rebel BJP leader and former Minister Sudip Roy Burman's call to organize a rally on March 3. According to media reports, Sudip Roy Burman has called for an apolitical protest rally to protest against increasing crimes against women in Tripura. To be mentioned, the protest rally backed by the state BJP and BJP Mahila Morcha was called by BJP leader Soma Mazumdar, who was tortured by some anti-social elements in 2014 when Sudip Roy Burman was an MLA. To mark the new year, a friendly sepak takraw match and a football match was played between Nongkam Satang Tengnopal and Kondong village of Myanmar yesterday at the playground of Nongkam village. The home team has won both of the matches.